Do you want to create a culture of continuous improvement in your organization? Let's talk about the importance of problem solving in lean leadership. Problem solving is how we make improvements in lean. It's the process of going from our current condition to our target condition or standard. Examples of common problems in lean include meeting production plans, reducing defects, improving safety, turnaround time, and service level. To solve these problems, we use the 8-step problem-solving process. The process includes the following steps. 1. Clarify the problem. 2. Break down the problem. 3. Set the target for improvement. 4. Root cause analysis. 5. Develop countermeasures to address root causes. 6. Implement countermeasures. 7. Monitor results. 8. Standardize and spread. Why is problem solving key to success in lean? If everyone becomes a problem solver, more improvements will be made, and our culture will become one of continuous improvement. How do we create an organization of problem solvers? Training is helpful, but people need regular, ongoing practice to make problem solving a habit. Mike Rother's Toyota Kata methodology is a simple and effective approach to practicing problem solving. Daily practice, feedback, and constant learning are essential to making problem solving a habit. To learn more, visit emsstrategies.com.